All right, today we are going to make a black soldier fly box. Looking for ways to feed our chickens for free. We give them the food that we get from local restaurants and things like that, but just wanted to give them a little extra, a little protein, a little snack, a little treat. And so stick with us today. We're gonna do this for under $20 and we'll show you how. And here are the supplies that you're gonna need. Went to Sam's Club, got a 27-gallon heavy-duty storage tote for $10.97. Open this up, set the lid aside for later. Went to Walmart and got 2 more storage bins. Lid and the larva catch. And for these, we do not need the lids. So the way this works, it's pretty simple. The black bin is going to house the smaller. This is what the catchment is for the larva. The black flies, house flies, black soldier flies, whatever you want to call it, is going to come in and lay. And they're going to lay in this bin. We're going to put our kitchen scraps. You take this secondary bin and you're going to set it down in there. We're going to put some stuff just so that it doesn't tip over. But that's just the first step of how everything comes together. And we're going to drill some holes on the edge. And you just repeat that process around the edge, just to let all the food scrap juice drip through. All right, so now that the holes are drilled for drainage, we're gonna cut out this section right here. All right, so for that, we just cut out that section right there. Not the prettiest cut, but again, this is just for fly larvae. Now the pieces are starting to come together. We've got our container, our catch box, and then this is gonna go right over top that. It'll be a little bit slanted and they'll crawl up that. Now we're just gonna add the kitchen scraps and we are just about done. We added a scrap piece of 2x4 at the bottom just to help stabilize the bottom catchment box. Next, we're gonna add our kitchen scraps. And there you have it. And actually there is a fly already getting attracted to it. So we're gonna go set this up and close up this project. Now I'm actually gonna put this right into the chicken run. Just add a stick. And the final step to this for it, and really it's just this simple. That's right, Buzz. Put a stick under it so the flies can get in. But you want the lid to stay on top. Yes, sir, you're gonna get some snacks. Lid on top so it stays dry and out of the rain. Put a piece of wood on top just to make sure the wind doesn't blow it off. And yes, sir, Buzz, that is it. So for less than 20 bucks, your chickens are gonna have a little treat. So we're gonna leave that there and we'll update you in future videos just to see how good this works. Thank you guys for joining us today. We'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.